Katrina Haynes from Haynes and Associates. You're about to watch a brief snippet from one of my webinars. I'll be back when it's over to give you more information. Enjoy. So we're going to start by looking at domicile versus resident states. Now, if a taxpayer, and I'm just throwing this out here, this is good practice. If a taxpayer is going to be absent from their home state for more than 2 years, then the taxpayer should look at breaking their state residency in order to save on their global tax liability. In this session, we're going to be looking mostly at expatriate taxation. So US citizens and green card holders that are living and working outside of the US who are subject to US tax rules. They're required to pay US tax on their global liability as long as they maintain their citizenship or their green card. So we're going to be looking at that population and how they're impacted by their trailing state liabilities. So if your expat taxpayer is going to be gone for 2 years or more, you really should look at whether or not you can break residency in their home state. For some states, it's just as easy as leaving and filing a return saying you had a part year return, part of the year you were a resident, part of the year you were a non-resident. It's just that simple. Some states, it's a little bit more complicated. So and for some states, it could just be based on days of residency, days of presence. So some states will determine your residency based on days of presence. So it's important to know the specific laws in each jurisdiction, and don't forget local income taxes. I think one of the things that surprises first-time expats the most is their global tax liability and how much the same income can be subject to taxation. So for example, if I'm a US taxpayer and I'm coming from Ohio and I'm moving to Switzerland, then as a US citizen or green card holder, I'm going to be subject to US tax on my worldwide income. As a Swiss national or a Swiss tax resident, I'm going to be subject to tax on that same income in Switzerland as well, because I'm a tax resident and they have the right to tax that income. Now, I'm also going to have to pay Swiss local tax or cantonal tax. So in addition to paying tax at the federal level in Switzerland, I'm also going to be subject to tax at the local level in Switzerland. Thanks for watching. For more information on this and other webinars, you can check the description box, or you can visit me on my website, www.hayneshelp.com. Thanks again for watching and for letting Haynes help you.